Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your trusted channel for the latest freshers job, internships, and tech career guidance. Today I have got big news for all BTech freshers out there. One of the big four company, which is EY Ernest Young, is hiring for associate software engineer for their global delivery service team in Bangalore. This is a golden opportunity for anyone who wants to start their career with a world-class brand, cutting-edge tech, and global exposure. Before we dive into the full details, hit that like button if you are actively job hunting so that we keep getting motivated and we'll bring with more better opportunities. Also subscribe to our channel if you don't want to miss in daily job alerts and free career guidance and mock interview as well. And also turn on the notification bell so you never miss out any updates once we upload our video. So now let's dive into the details. So the role, as you can see, is of associate software engineer, and it's a EY located in Bangalore, and it's a full-time opportunity. And yes, so if you have a bachelor degree, you are eligible for this with the minimum 60% at the general cutoff. So let me directly, jump to the your roles or responsibilities. So what you will actually be doing as at EY. So you will be working on full stack development thing like Java, .NET, Python, etc. As you can see, they have mentioned over here. So yeah, you can see that here, right? Skills needed. So you'll be basically working with the .NET, Java, Python. I mean, either of them is fine. If you have knowledge, it will be added advantage. And if you are a freshers with no experience, because this is a totally fresher kind of role, and you so must have the familiarity with database like SQL, Oracle, Teradata. If it is going to be a bonus if you have done any internship related to the particular field that I have mentioned, like either in .NET, Java, or Python, but it is not required thing. It's just a bonus. If you have done, that is well and good. If you have not done, still you are eligible for this particular role. So now let's discuss the uh, about EY. But before going just EY is basically looking for people who are curious, adaptable, and passionate. It's not just about skills, and you should be a great teamwork person, detail oriented person, and ready to learn and grow fast in the environment. So now let's understand a little bit about the EY. So EY Global Delivery Service (GDS), which is their particularly their team working all over the world. It operates in 6 countries and 16 cities worldwide, including major tech hubs like Bangalore, Kochi, Noida, and many more. With over 50 thousand plus professionals, EY GDS is a powerhouse of tech innovations, delivering service across consulting, data, tax, risk, and strategy. So this is going to be a wonderful opportunity at one of the big four consulting firm. So just go and apply. Check for the link in description. We have mentioned the direct link to apply, and apply as soon as possible before the deadline. Deadline they haven't even mentioned, but the sooner the better. I mean, try to apply as soon as possible because these type of jobs might end anytime soon. And also make sure to update your resume and highlighting the skills that I have mentioned just now, like either of Java, Python, .NET, or try to add this skill. I try to add SQL as well because SQL is required in every kind of roles. Or if you are into data analysis role, if you are into software engineer role, it's always required. And also they have mentioned basic data analysis skill. If you have that, again good, because this is one of the financial companies. So if you have that data skills, you will be given preferences. And bonus tips I want to add more, that if you start revising your basic computer science core subjects and like DBMS, SDLCs, OOPS, networking basics, and also practice aptitude, coding, behavioral interview questions. Coding seems to be easy in EY, but I try to practice very good with aptitude, be good with aptitude. These type of companies focus more on your aptitude, which is your analytical skill and behavioral skill as well. So this was all about this wonderful opportunity. And if this opportunity excites you, don't wait, don't overthink about that. Just apply, go and apply. Even if you are not even matching totally with the skill sets, still apply for that opportunity, because who knows, you might land into this wonderful opportunity. And if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to our channel for the notes, where we are bringing 3 important hiring especially for you people. and drop your any queries if you will have in the comment section. I will be more than happy to apply. I'm sorry, I will reply to it. And yeah, let's build up your career one step at time together. And all the best with your applications. Go check it out and apply. And until next time, keep applying, keep forging onwards. I will see you in the next one.